Hello class and welcome to week 2 of oral communications. I just had a few things I wanted to go over for week 2. So we're off to a great start already. Last week you did your self-introductions and your scavenger hunt. I'm sure that you read through the syllabus and a mind tap here if you have an access code. It is not required, but if you have a digital book or want to see the supplemental materials that came with your text, if you have an access code, you can click on this link here and register your material. I will start grading last week's work this week, and the email I sent earlier today I mentioned that I will grade after assignments close. So now that week 1 is over, I will start grading week 1. So this week we have a few things going on. Make sure you click on the checklist each week. It will help you stay organized and know what is due and what is coming up to be due. I also put extra links to things or resources or materials sometimes that you might want to check out. So make sure you, again, click on each checklist each week to see what is due. So this week you have a discussion, and just similar to last week, you'll answer the initial post here, and you'll have to click reply, put in your answer, and then you will be able to see your peer replies and reply to them. Your initial post is due by Thursday, minimum 2 paragraphs. And then you can reply to your peers after that. Make sure you keep note of the grading for your discussion posts. Next, you have what's called a pick only one assignment. Most weeks we have a pick only one. Here I give you choices as to which assignment you want to complete. But keep in mind you only need to pick one, not all 3. So once you choose which assignment you want, it says to label the one that you've chosen, and then you'll follow the directions. For most of these pick only one assignments, you will need your textbook. And no matter which assignment you pick, make sure that you are being detailed in your answers, and make sure, in order to give full credit, you are going to apply the terminology and concepts from your textbook chapter. So for example, we're in chapter 1, so you want to use terminology from chapter 1 in any of these assignments that you choose. So no matter which one you pick, you have to incorporate terminology and concepts from that chapter. You also have a quiz for chapter 1. It's worth 5 points. There are 10 questions. Each question is worth half a point. You've got 2 hours to complete it. And then this week, you see something a little different. It's called an extra credit quote. It is worth extra credit. So on here, you'll see that it is worth 0 points. But if you complete it, your grade for it will be 1 point because it is extra credit. So what you'll do is answer the prompt. You're really just explaining what the quote means to you and whether or not you agree with it. So I'm only looking for about 50 words, which is just a couple of sentences. Again, these are optional. You do not have to do these. I will have a total of 10 for the semester, so this is a great way to get a jump start on some extra credit, but I will have a total of 10 and only 10 for the whole semester. So you have an opportunity to get up to 10 extra credit points this semester for these extra credit quotes. And then you have your communication research project and the communication research project topic proposal due September 8th. First, you'll want to click on the communication research project. And it's broken up into 3 parts, but it is an opportunity to explore an aspect of communication that is related to your current or future career and major. The topic proposal is the first one that's up. And then we'll have an annotated bibliography and then the speech. Again, it is broken up into 3 pieces. All of this is not due yet. Just the topic proposal is due September 8th. So we're going to click back here. And so the first one due is the topic proposal, September 8th. And here are the instructions for it and the rubric. So you want to think about an aspect of your major or your career. It could be current or future. And you're going to relate it to communications. I've given you some examples here of topics. If you have any questions or you are stuck, you're not really sure what topic to choose, please don't hesitate to email me. I'm happy to brainstorm some topic ideas for you. And then once you decide on that, what you will do is answer these 5 questions for me. Make sure it's a full page, that you fully answer all of these. But the idea is that it really just starts getting you thinking and brainstorming about what you want to talk about. Here's the rubric here and how I'll be grading this assignment. It is worth 10 points. All right, so like I said, we are off to a great start. I'm really looking forward to teaching this class. I've already enjoyed reading through your self-introductions and getting to know a little bit more about each of you. If you have any questions, please never hesitate to reach out, and I will talk to you soon.